Hello and welcome to another Digital Transformation Snack Time Snippet. This is the second in our series on the Internet of Behaviors. Last week, we talked about definition and some of the advantages of the Internet of Behaviors. And today we're going to hear a little bit about applications and case studies of Internet of Behaviors in use today. So with that, I'll go ahead and turn it over to Rajeshwari and take it away.
So now coming into applications. There are different ways that IoB can be used. So in almost every industry like business, workplaces, finance, personal, insurance, medical, and so on, everywhere they can use it. It is predicted that 2025, more than, and by the time 2025, more than half of the world population will be subjected to at least one or more IoB programs, which is either it is a private or commercial or governmental. And one of the survey is that it is estimated that by 2022, more than $2 trillion will be spent on IoT related activities. So now coming into case studies. Internet of Behavior. We already told that it is an extension of IoT. So it finds application in Amazon. I already given an example. And free RTOs, it is one of the operating system kernel for embedded devices that has been ported to microcontrollers platforms. And coming into Amazon Greengrass, it is nothing but it is also a software where it extends cloud capabilities to the local devices. So here this internet behavior application use cases comes. These organizations are using IoB in connecting their assets securely, data gathering, and for other activities. So IoB helps in arriving at informed decisions even when the local internet connectivity is affected. Google, Facebook, Amazon, etc. All these companies are using IoB in anticipating the behavior and tastes of the customers. So last one is the case study that BMC, a company which has developed an health application for the smartphones, where it can use as IoB technology in tracking the patient's diet, sleep patterns, heart rate, and blood sugar levels. And even when it is a very serious or critical situations comes, it alerts the patients in diverse situations. So still continuing. So in India, Arogya Setu is an application brought in pandemic corona situation. It is also associated with the IoB technology. And, it is working fine. Now crores of people are using this Arogya Setu for tracking the health situations. And government, vaccinations, everything is we can see in this. So, and the Uber, we know is a platform. It is also using the IoB to connect to the riders, eaters, restaurants, because Uber Eats also is there, one of that. So they are using this one to connect to eaters and restaurants, and even they are reinventing the user experience also with this emerging technology. And even YouTube is also a part of IoB. It is utilizing it to analyze the behavioral users' behavior, so that they want to give a better experience, UX experience to the end user. So with the help of behavioral data, IoB helps in guiding users in these videos and shows as per their desires and choices. Here also personalization comes. Each end user, so they will track, and then they, according to their choices, what type of music they want to see, hear, and what type of videos they want to see. So they will mind each and every individual's behavioral in the site, and then they can give some suggestions to the users. So even IoB is predicted to be quite beneficial in insurance industry also. It is coming up, not 100%.
That concludes this session of Digital Transformation Snacktime Snippets. Thank you so much, Rajeshwari, for all that information. Please join us next week for the third and final part in this series on the Internet of Behaviors, and have a great rest of your day, everyone.